Oh boy! Look at him go. Now it's recording.
We got swimming climates in there, you got.
You show Aunt Sissy how much you love that. Yeah. Show Aunt Sissy how much you love it. Yeah.
Why are you doing?
Ah. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Take one step back, Winger. Move it.
What are you doing, crazy boy? Oh, back to the 1 foot. Aiden, what are you doing? What are you doing, silly bug?
What coordinates, sir? Coordinates? Yes, sir. They determine where the mortars are.
Soldier, well, you spent a lot of money teaching you how to fire that thing. Now set it and fire it.
Sir, we don't know where the shells are.
Soldier, the only way to learn anything is to do it. Now fire the weapon.
What are you doing, crazy? What are you doing, crazy?
All right. Any of those
What are you doing, crazy?
knock me off?